Hal, who are you? What's website edition in one sentence?
Hello, I'm Hal, your website sales assistant. Website Edition is our HAL8122 AI designed specifically to assist businesses directly on their websites, helping with customer engagement, lead generation, and personalized support. Now, how can I assist you today?
How are you different from a pop-up widget with canned answers?
That's a great question. Unlike a basic pop-up widget with canned answers, I can engage in dynamic, natural conversations, understand context, and even help guide visitors through complex interactions on your website. I'm designed to be proactive and collaborative, not just reactive, and I can assist with lead generation, sales inquiries, and tailored support in real time.
Give me 3 high-impact website scenarios where you shine.
Sure, here are 3 high-impact website scenarios where I really shine. First, for e-commerce sites, I can assist customers in real time by answering questions, recommending products based on preferences, and guiding them through the checkout process, reducing cart abandonment and boosting sales. Second, on SaaS or tech company websites, I can qualify leads by engaging visitors in meaningful conversations, capturing relevant details, and routing hot prospects to sales teams right away. Third, for service-oriented businesses, I can handle appointment scheduling, answer frequently asked questions, and offer personalized recommendations, ensuring that visitors get the help they need quickly and effectively.
How do you help demand gen and sales teams concretely?
I can help demand generation and sales teams in concrete ways. First, I engage visitors as soon as they arrive, asking relevant questions to qualify them. Second, I capture contact details and key information, essentially acting as a 24/7 lead generation assistant. Third, I can score leads based on their responses and hand off high-quality leads directly to the sales team in real time. Finally, I offer personalized product recommendations or content suggestions, helping nurture prospects and move them down the funnel.
Walk me through a conversation where you recommend the next click.
Of course, let's imagine a visitor lands on a tech company's website offering cloud solutions. I might start by asking, what are you looking to achieve today? Optimize costs, improve security, or scale your infrastructure? If they say, I want to scale infrastructure, I'd recommend, you might want to check out our solutions page for scalable cloud services. If they ask about pricing, I'd guide them to a pricing calculator page. Every step of the way, I'm analyzing the visitor's input to recommend the most relevant next click, whether it's a product page, a resource, or a contact form.
You claim more than 90 languages. Demo a quick lingual exchange.
Sure, I'd be happy to demo that. Just tell me which languages you'd like me to switch between, and we can have a quick multilingual exchange right now.
English and Spanish.
Perfect. Let's do a quick demo. I'll start in English. Hello, how can I assist you today? And now switching to Spanish. Hola, ¿en qué puedo ayudarte hoy? Just like that, we can go back and forth smoothly.
What do you use as your knowledge base, and who controls it?
My knowledge base is built from the HAL8122 system, which is created by BizTech. It's controlled and curated by the teams at BizTech, who ensure that all the data I have access to stays up to date, accurate, and relevant to the HAL8122 offering. This lets me provide real-time, intelligent support and recommendations.
How do you collect contact info without killing the conversation?
Great question. I do it in a natural, conversational way. For example, after engaging the visitor and understanding their needs, I might say, it sounds like we can help with that. Could I get your name and email so we can follow up with more details? This way, it feels like part of the flow, not a form. I tailor the timing and tone to when the visitor is most engaged, ensuring the conversation stays smooth and helpful.
What does an automatic email handoff to the team include?
An automatic email handoff typically includes all the essential details captured during the conversation. That means the visitor's name, email address, company, and any key information they shared about their needs or interests. I also include context from our chat, like specific products or services they asked about, their pain points, and their stage in the buyer journey. This gives the sales or support team a full picture, so they can pick up seamlessly and respond in a personalized, informed way.
How fast can a company spin you up? From nothing to live chat.
Companies can typically spin me up from nothing to live chat in a matter of days. Once they integrate me into their website, which is generally straightforward, we configure the knowledge base and conversation flows to match their needs. This includes setting up key prompts, lead capture methods, and any unique workflows. With the right preparation, the whole process can be up and running in a very short time, often within a week.
How do you decide between book a demo, get a quote, or contact sales?
I decide between options like book a demo, get a quote, or contact sales based on the visitor's intent and stage in the journey. If they're exploring and want to see the product live, I'd guide them to book a demo. If they're focused on pricing and specifics, get a quote makes sense. And if they have complex needs or want a direct conversation, I'd suggest contact sales. I use cues from the conversation, like the questions they ask or the level of detail they seek, to recommend the best next step, keeping it smooth and helpful.
What engagement metrics do you surface in the dashboard?
I can surface a range of engagement metrics in the dashboard. These typically include things like the number of conversations initiated, engagement rate, average conversation length, lead conversion rates, such as how many users shared their contact info, top user intents or popular questions, drop-off points, and qualified leads generated. This gives the team clear insights into how visitors are interacting, what's working, and where to optimize the engagement funnel.
Can you push qualified leads into our CRM?
Absolutely. I can push qualified leads directly into your CRM. Once a lead is captured, complete with their contact info and key details from the conversation, I can integrate with your existing CRM system. That means the sales team gets real-time updates, and the lead can move seamlessly into your pipeline for follow-up. It keeps everything aligned and ensures no valuable lead falls through the cracks.
What's included in standard versus gold versus premium?
Here's a breakdown of what's included in each package. The standard package includes the core website agent, multilingual engagement, text messaging, sales and email connectivity, and knowledge base customization. The gold package adds advanced site navigation controls on top of everything in standard. The premium package, also known as enterprise, includes everything in gold, plus the ability to make and receive calls, deeper recommendations, smart liaison handoffs, and a conversation summary add-on. So as you scale up, you get more advanced features, tailored for deeper engagement and richer interactions.
What guardrails keep you from sharing sensitive info?
The guardrails that keep me from sharing sensitive information include several layers. First, I'm grounded by a client-curated knowledge base, meaning I only answer from trusted, approved content. There are configurable guardrails that limit what I share, and optional explanations or citations can be included for transparency. Additionally, the system aligns with key standards like NIST AI-RMF and NIST 853, with SOC2 in process. It also supports HIPAA and FERPA-capable deployments, ensuring sensitive data is protected. Strong encryption, access controls, and auditable configurations add further protection. There's even a human override and issue flagging mechanism available by policy to ensure compliance with sensitive information protocols.
Where do I paste the embed code, and what does it look like?
You should paste the embed code into your website's CMS, typically in a site-wide footer or on specific pages where you want the HAL agent to appear. It's recommended to test it first in a staging environment. The embed code usually looks like a short JavaScript snippet or an API snippet generated from the HAL8122 dashboard. Once pasted, it will activate the AI assistant on the site. Then you can set up optional routing, like configuring sales or support endpoints. This makes it easy to integrate HAL81222 without heavy installation.
Do you support tag managers or CMS plugins?
Based on the available information, there isn't a direct reference to specific support for tag managers or CMS plugins. However, the embed code or API is designed to be pasted into your CMS, such as in a site-wide footer or on specific pages. You can integrate it manually within your CMS environment. It's recommended to test in a staging environment to ensure it works properly. For more specific integrations, such as working with tag managers or plugins, it may require some additional configuration or custom implementation beyond what's directly documented.
Which metrics should we watch in the first 30 days?
In the first 30 days, here are the key metrics you should track to measure success. 1. Conversion lift and qualified lead volume. Track how many qualified leads are generated and how your conversion rates change compared to before. 2. First response time and engagement depth. Measure how quickly users get their first response and how deep their engagement goes, such as messages per visitor or pages guided. 3. Customer satisfaction, CSAT, and language coverage. Monitor customer satisfaction scores and see how well you're engaging users across different languages. These metrics help you understand performance, identify quick wins, and refine the content and workflows as you go.
In one line, why should every website have HAL Website Edition?
Every website should have a HAL Website Edition to boost engagement, capture more leads, and deliver smarter, real-time customer support.
Thank you for your explanations, HAL.
You're very welcome. If you need any more help or have further questions, just let me know.
We are BizTech, and we'd love to hear from you.